First of all, before our machines leave the factory, they will go through strict testing and will also be tested for printing. So generally speaking, new machines will not have any problems. If you encounter any problems during the use, contact our salesmen in time. They will build a technical after-sales team and add our technicians to the team. We have 4 very professional technicians, specializing in providing customers with after-sales technical support, technical services. They will tell you how to solve the problem according to the pictures or videos you provide. If it's just some simple problem, our technician will send you a video and tell you how to troubleshoot step by step. If you are sure which parts are broken, we will express the new parts to you in time. Of course, we need to clarify if the 1-year warranty period, accessories are required to pay. In addition, the printhead has no warranty. We specialize in the production of printers for 15 years. The machine itself is very stable. Even if there is a problem, only need to replace the new parts. There will not be a complete paralysis of the machine cannot be used, so do not worry about this.